Welcome to What's My Recipe? Starring Peach Betty. Today's request comes from Tracy of Taylor, Michigan.
As a bus driver, Tracy remembers cookies made with potato chips served for lunch. And I found that recipe in Good Housekeeping's Book of Cookies from 1958. It all starts with room temperature butter.
That's bullshit.
That's all right. We'll just scoop it up and put it back in the bowl. And then squeeze out the rest of it. There we go. We did it.
Excellent.
Now we add 1 egg yolk to our butter and sugar.
What goes in next?
Vanilla.
We also need some baking powder.
Oh, there's no baking powder in this recipe. Ready for the vanilla?
I'm ready. Okay, the red one is coming to get the red. It looks really good.
Thank you.
It smells so good.
It does smell really good. Now let's stir it all together until it's nice and fluffy. What does it look like?
It's a frosting.
Of course, we must try frosting. Some for Sullivan and some for Mom. Ooh, that's really sweet. Okay, let's move on. We need to chop our walnuts. Once they're nice and fine, we're going to add them to our flour. And now for the most important ingredient,
Chips.
that irresistibly salty snack. You can never have just one. We pack our food processor full and grind them up.
Creamy.
Add those to the flour as well.
I did it!
You did it! Now before he eats all of the butter, I need to add our dry ingredients. I pour in half at a time just to make it easier. Like I said, you can never have just one. It's so crunchy.
Okay, now that would be so yummy. Let's try some.
Because this cookie is considered a molded cookie, it is very crumbly and may seem dry. But now it's time to scoop.
The scooping of the scooper.
That's right, we take a 1-inch scooper and pack it firmly in and then press it out.
1.
Once they're all scooped, we then roll them into a ball and press in some chocolate chips.
Good job, Mama.
Thank you, Sullivan. Now it's time to go into the
Oven.
Here they go.
Bye. The real one. It looks pretty yummy.
Take a bite.
Yummy. It's so good. Thank you for making cookies with me.
You're welcome.
They're so buttery, they fall and melt in your mouth.
They are buttery and soft, and they do melt in your mouth. But I do think they need something else. We tried making these again with brown sugar and pecans instead. And this is what we said.
It was pretty good.
Tracy, I hope these bring back fond memories. Thanks for sharing.
If you have a recipe you missed from your childhood, send Peach Betty an email. You might be the next one on What's My Recipe?